A very good morning to all the students. Today we are going to learn Social Science, Chapter 2, First World War and Russian Revolution. Part 1. This is the yearning of the Western European countries for expansion of the empire and acquire new territories, that is colony, resulted in these countries going to Asia and Africa. See, the intense longing, this Western European countries, they were having an intense longing of expanding their empire and acquiring new and new territories, and this resulted them to the countries going to Asia and Africa. Thus, they established their colonies and expanded their rule. In this way, they established their colonies also and expanded their rule over there. Consequently, there arose a competition between whom European nations to establish colonies. And this greed for colonization among the Western European nations that caused to social, economic and cultural ruins of Asian African countries, and the result of this on world politics, and which has resulted what on the world politics was such that the first world war, that is Bolshevik revolution, took place. So dear students, let us study about this in detail. First we'll see that is Western Europe and colonialism in Asia Africa. See, the Western European countries, they wanted to expand their empire. They wanted to expand their empire where? In Asia Africa. Their greed for colonization did not spare even their neighboring countries. See, their greed of acquiring this did not spare the neighboring countries also. Spain had taken control over Netherlands, Belgium, and Luxembourg, and later on some of their provisions was acquired by France. And when the Portuguese king died without an heir means what? A person legally entitled to the property or rank of another on that person's death. So when the Portuguese king died without an heir, the Portugal came under the rule of Spanish king, and this Portugal that came under the rule of whom? The Spanish king. Why? Because of his blood relation. So for 6 decades, the monopoly of establishing colonies in non-European countries was with Spain. Similarly, Italy and German states became the victim of the greed, and similarly who became the victim? Italy and German states, the greed of France and Austria. And when the European powers was tightening their group over Asian and African nations, see, when this European power, they were having a firm controlled hold over whom? The Asian and African nations. Many of the European nations which had become free, they started following the footsteps of England and made many of the Afro-Asian nations their colonies. The next is the colonialism in Asia. After strengthening its grip over India, see, after having their grip over India, England expanded its empire. England started to expand their empire to Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Burma, Singapore, and Malaysia. And the England entered China also. See, they entered to China also. But due to the opium trade between England and China, there were wars. See, opium, due to opium trade. Opium is what? A reddish brown heavy scented addictive drug that is prepared from the juice of the opium poppy. And that was opium trade there was between whom? Between England and China, and there was a war in the year 1839 to 1842, and which came to be known as opium wars in history. And in this war the China lost, and thereby they lost 5 of its port to England. See, they lost the 5 ports also, and from where the England could carry on their trade, they started to carry their trade from there and thus expanded their empire. Taking advantage of China's weakness, by taking the advantages of this China's weakness, Japan, Russia, Germany, France, Belgium, and America, they also acquired trade and political rights. Numerous oil resources in the desert region of West Asia also attracted the Europeans to establish their colonies there. See, now the Europeans were establishing the colonies in the West Asia. Why? What was attracting them? The oil resources in the desert region. So England, Germany, Russia and America, they established oil companies where in Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Bahrain, and made efforts. They made an effort to take care of their own interests. Colonialism in Africa. See, now we'll see in Africa, the Dutch established its colony for the first time at the end of 15th century in South Africa. See, the Dutch now they started to establish a colony. They were establishing for the first time at the end of which century? 15th century. And where? In South Africa. After that, England and France, they established their colonies in Cape and Algeria in North Africa respectively. And the vast provisions of Africa seemed quite suitable for acquiring raw material. See, that was a vast provisions was there of Africa that was suitable for what? Acquiring raw material and selling ready product post industrial revolutions. Why? Because of which European countries could compete to establish colonies. In this way they would compete to establish their colonies. King Leopold of Belgium seized that the vast provisions of Congo and established his rule. See what happened in this, that the King Leopold was there of Belgium, he seized the vast provisions of Congo and they established his rule over there. And England established its colonies. Then England they established their colony in Egypt and some provisions of East Africa and some of the South Africa also. Now France established its colonies in what? Tunisia, Morocco and West Africa provisions. France they established their colonies in Tunisia, Morocco and West Africa. And then Germany they established its empire in some provision where of the East and West Africa. And then the Italy captured the African provisions around the Red Sea. Spain and Portugal also, they also cite some provisions of Africa. A conference for the European nations was held. See, there was a conference for this European nation and that was held in Berlin in the year 1884 to 85. That is in the midst of this competitions to establish colonies. And the different African territories were divided among the European nations. And what they did, that the different African territories that was divided among whom? Among the European nations at the end of the conference. Thus, the colonial dominance of different European nations was established over the entire Africa. While on the other hand, see what was on the other hand the greed. There was a greed in the European nation. They were trying to colonize various Asian African territories. And on the other hand, what Germany and Italy had completed the process of a respective political unification they did. And thus to unify Germany plunged into the competition of industrialization. See, with this what happened? One hand the greedy European nation, they were trying to colonize in Asian and African territories, and Germany and Italy they had completed the process of its political unification. And this unified Germany plunged into competition of what? There was a competition of industrialization, commercialization and colonization, and this quickly changing the global phenomena. In this way the global phenomena was being changed, has exploited what? Some of these countries in which process ways politically, economically and socially, and due to which their development has stopped, and in this way their development was stopped, and this led to the First World War. Hope you all have understood till here. In the next video we'll read ahead.